How to blur the background or part of a picture on Samsung Galaxy phones. Hello everyone, I am Lucy with another video. Let's get started with that. First, you can open your gallery and choose a photo you want to blur. Here, you will see a pen tool at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. After that, you will see a smiley icon at the bottom of the screen. On it, you will see several pens on screen. You just need to click on this mosaic tool and click on it again so you can choose from which blur you want to choose. Select any blur and choose how thick you want it. And with your finger, blur the content of your picture you want to blur. After that, click on Save at the top right corner to save your photo. If you don't want to save your photo but keep the original, you can always click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on Save as Copy. And that's how you blur a part of picture. So if you want to blur photos while taking them, so you can always use portrait mode in your camera. Here, swipe to portrait mode and strengthen your portrait effect through the slide bar. And you can click your photo while blurring your background. And these are the methods to blur your picture in Samsung Galaxy phones without using a third-party apps. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do subscribe this channel.